Well, I'm putting the record to work. In case you didn't know, that's why I've been the last couple of days. I haven't been able to do a video because I've been inventorying this scrub body Chevy old school fire truck here. In case you didn't know, do got an eBay store, Busy Automotive. You can check it out. Gonna be a tons of parts listed from this thing because it ain't worth fixing, and it's spare parts. They fit the record. You know, no big deal. We can use what I don't sell from this on hit, and that's what it's all about basically, is making videos for you guys and selling parts to people that's in need. You know, if I can get the truck cheap enough, I can sell these parts at a somewhat of a discount of the market value. We got some good rotaries that'll be spare for my tow trucks. I got a jack under it right now. I've been cutting this wood end out. I'll probably keep the leaf springs. The bed, I filled it full of junk. It's just gonna go junkyard. Don't need this fire bed. It's pretty well. I mean, I could fix it, but to me, I don't need a tool bed. And that's some good weight here, so a man make, you know, pretty good off of it. Junkyard nearby. Won't cost hardly anything in gas to haul it. Get a few extra dollars. Maybe buy some groceries or something with it. Inside dash pad ain't worth saving. I probably will take it off so I finish getting the vents and stuff out of it. Transmission, I still got to pull here. I done sold the shifter. The steering column I put into the tow truck that you seen at the beginning of the video. It's just some F-150 parts and stuff. I got everything marked. This is inventory that I need to put on very soon. It can go to somebody that needs it. We got all kinds of hinges, some little things like this. We got a motor compressor there. We got these little gauge cluster for a Buick. I got tons of parts that needs inventoried. Then check it out. On the back of this, I got some simulators. I don't know if I sell them or not, but those might go to somebody that needs them if I don't keep them. This is from a Ford. Those is constantly broken, so those sell extremely good. I got a Red Devil I might sell, and I got some odd and end mounts over there for a Ford too. Everybody told me I wouldn't need a record. I had a record and I sold it because I said I won't need a record. I got a rollback. Had 3 rollbacks. Then sold 1 rollback. And then had 2. And then sold the other rollback. Now got 1. And had a record and I sold it because I hardly ever used it. More of the story is I needed a record again. So I picked up this one. If you ain't seen it in previous videos, it will be featured on the channel quite a bit. I bought it for $3 grand, and every time I start it, every time I use it, it stings a little inside, because even though it's workable, it ain't safe to drive. But for a yard, you know, record, it does pretty good. I like to get it drivable safely, you know, in the future, maybe this summer. Disc weight conversion it, Cal hood, maybe LS swap it. Everybody seems to enjoy the scrub body LS videos. You can check out playlists on my channel. Still got the Mustangs and everything. I just want to do a little update video of everything going on. Mustang's covered up for the winter. I bought a S10 frame. We might set it over on it because I don't know what the hell's going up with it. I can't keep it running. Computer on wheels. It's a 67 Mustang on a newer platform, and it's just like, you need all the gas, just random. Then it's like, you ain't going nowhere, you stranded. Charger, ain't did nothing to hit yet. I like to get hit on the highway. Everybody seems to enjoy this car, I guess because it was pretty common car. You know, it's the 3.6, not the Hemi, but the 3.6 is just fun too. Trans Am project still got hit. We got the spoiler inside. I actually bought another spoiler. That one had some fiberglass damage. And I found a totaled out Trans Am that I got the LS1 out of, and the back of the hatch spoiler. It survived. Looks for us. Well, LS1 for this come spring. We still got all the other projects too, so don't worry. They coming to the channel. I just been kind of getting inventory situated and new buildings up and all that things here recently. And you know, I got 5 channels. I got a gaming one, got a food channel, and a couple more. So check them out. They on my page. Can't miss them. Still got the El Camino. I was going to sell it, but I don't know. Might as well just keep it too. I got enough projects, but what? A couple more can't hurt anything, can it? Come on. Potting it out. The van's potted out. Just got rid of an Expedition. There ain't much left of it. It went to the big junkyard in a sky. Inventoried hit. Got rid of hit. Everybody gonna get mad at me because they like, where's the Maverick? Which one? I had two. Got one now. We kept this one. The one I saved out in the big forest when I went in the hills of Kentucky and pulled this out. This little grabber here. And it's still good to go. Still plans on building it, buying stuff up for it. Got a wheel in for it. Got a measure. I think it'll work out great. This brake should be fine. Still got the F-150 here. It's a shop truck now. It just runs packages for the eBay store and just work-related stuff. Good little work truck. We need to lower it, but it's doing fine besides that transmission leak it had in a last video. I put some AT205 in it. Rollback's getting new tires. I ain't got them for the back yet, but put these Lion Claw AT2s on here. They actually sent my money back because this one actually needs replaced. This gash here is pretty deep. Probably ain't gonna hurt it, but pretty deep gash. I think FedEx or something grabbed it. I don't know what did it, but it's probably fine. But I'm gonna replace this tire anyway. I put it on a spare rim or something. Maybe put it on the back. I don't know. I just don't trust it on the front. Well, what's your opinion on that tire? You know, they look pretty good though. I'm happy with them. I need them for the back though. If you're watching Lionheart, you know, sponsor your boy. They 215.75, 215.85 16s. You know, I usually don't reach out like that though, even though I can. I usually just buy stuff for my own money. It's just a different feeling, you know. Sometimes companies work with me, but and most of the time I don't reach out. Sometimes they reach out to me, and sometimes I don't check my email in time, and then woo. Hopefully soon I get all this cleaned up out of the way. I'm thinning down because I got some new buildings, as I said, going up. Actually, out here where we've been keeping all the cars, that's going to be cleared out. A big long building is going with a lift, tire changes, balance, and basically the back's going to be eBay and online used parts warehouse store, because I got them scattered about little buildings. I can have a place to put the engines better, because the place I got engines at now, when I inventory them, is full. Life of a reseller and a YouTuber. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you can't wait to see this summer and this fall, because I'm going to still be messing with these. I'm going to bring a center console video very soon, painting and stuff, installing in that little truck. I think you're going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching.